Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT, and I am stopping by to show you guys a quick Shein swimsuit haul that I got. Now, before I get into the haul, just let me say that when I first purchased these pieces, I did not think that they were going to be this super cute, but they were. And I actually wish, because you know how you go and you read the reviews and you base your size off of what the people say in the reviews. I wish I had just went on with my first mind and bought what I thought it would would fit for me, because two of the pieces that I bought, they are super cute, but I think they're a little big. I don't like the fit for me. I did buy a two-piece, which I have never in my life worn a two-piece, even when I was like super small, which is crazy because I feel more confident with this than I did at that size thinking about buying a two-piece. But it is what it is. I guess because of the cover, excuse me, the cover up too. But let me just go ahead and get right into the video so I can show you guys. I don't want to do too much talking. I'm just going to show you what I have. So the first cover up, now I actually tried this on. It fits, but it's super tight. So I'm probably not going to be wearing this on the beach within the next 2 weeks. So as you can see, I love my joggers. This is actually a cover up jogger. It's see-through. It has the drawstring, which actually I realized that it's not actually a drawstring. It's just one of those fake drawstrings, but it's pretty stretchy at the waist. So you pretty much would just throw this on over a bathing suit. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this bathing suit, which is super cute. And I'm going to post some pictures of these bathing suits as well, so you guys can see what they look like. Now this bathing suit actually opens in the middle. It ties on the side, and then it's out in the back. So if you guys can imagine that, which I think is super cute. And the material it's not cheap. It's like thick material. So it's definitely swimsuit material. And also what I liked about these was they had the side paddings. You can actually take these out. The side holes where you can take the paddings out. Yeah, I pretty much, and the tie up at the top. I pretty much like this one. Now I did buy this in, what size did I buy this in? I believe this was an extra large. I believe this one was an extra large. I don't see the price on it. I mean, this. Oh, it is. Actually, I bought this in a 1XL. So this wasn't the one that I think that because I pretty much knew with this type of material and the way the fit was, because it was so open, I could probably get away with the XL. I probably could have went down a size for this one, but I went on and got a 1XL. For this bathing suit, now this one, this is what I was talking about. So all the reviews that I saw, and this one is cute, but I wish I had went and got this. It's the same concept. The only difference is it doesn't have the string on the side. It's the same in the back as well, with that open piece in the back. It has the string up at the top. But this one, I actually bought this. I believe this was a 2XL. But let me double check. And the only reason why I got it in a 2XL was because, yeah, this is a 2XL. And the only reason why I got this in a 2XL was because I read the reviews, and on one of the reviews, they said that they wished they had went up a size because it was tight for me. Now, when I put this bathing suit on, it was so loose on me. It stretches so that I feel like if I went down a size, I would have had enough room to stretch where I would still be comfortable. But it's fine. I can still wear it, so it's no big deal. I'm going to have a cover up on anyway, so it is what it is. But I actually have choices. So if I go to the beach more than one day, I have a choice in what I can wear to the beach. Now, this is what I was talking about, you guys. This two-piece is super, super, super cute. Now, first I was like, oh my God, my boobs are not this big. But they can actually, these paddings, now the paddings can't come out the black one. That was another downfall about that one. But the paddings can come out this as well. So I was like, okay, well that's cute. And I like the way how it fits around here. I've already tried the whole full two-piece on. So it has the two straps here, and then it has the one strap here. So you can kind of get a visual of what that looks like. And then the bottom piece is like, this is like a hipster almost. So this actually, the way how this bottom piece is designed, you can wear it all the way up or you can bring it down. So I know it looks huge, but trust me, it's not that big. Like it's a hipster. So it's damn near taking my whole camera. It just makes me feel like I need to work on my weight loss journey a little harder. I actually bought this in a 2XL. So this was actually another piece that I could probably go down a size as well. But I actually like the way that fit because it comes over my stomach. So the way how I have it on my body, it looks like I don't even have a stomach. And with this last piece that I have, this is a cover up. That's going to be super, super cute because the cover up that I have is black. Now, let me show you guys how this cover up looks. So this cover up is basically see-through. And it's wide leg at the bottom. Look at this. Super cute. And I tried it on over the two-piece, and it actually fit pretty good. The only thing that I didn't like about it, and I did read some reviews on it as well, a lot of people felt that the bottom was dragging a little bit. If you're a short person like me, I'm 5'4", you're probably going to get a little drag effect to it. So what I was going to do was, I was just going to go, because if you can see, this is almost like it doesn't even have a hemming at the bottom. So what I was going to do was just fold this a little bit and probably put like little dots, like little through here. So it's going to have like a little hem at the bottom, which is probably going to be next to not noticeable at all, which I think will actually add, it'll be a little bit more, bring a little bit more style to it. It won't be so like loose fitting and like, ugh. I don't like to look like I'm just dragging around with my clothes on. I like to look good. I like my fit to be good. I like my body to be formed with my clothing, to give me that, you know, that extra feeling good, feeling about what I wear, and when I wear them. So that's pretty much it from this haul. That's pretty much all I have with Shein for right now. So if you guys haven't already, go back and see the other videos I've done. I've done so many hauls with Shein. I would say out of all of the companies that I've purchased items from, if you want to build your wardrobe with just basic pieces, start off with Shein, because Shein will definitely have a lot of pieces that you can purchase and you can pair them up with expensive pieces. Like for me, I can wear a basic top. I can get a nice pair of bottom joggers from New York and Company, or I have Ashley Stewart, Dillard's. Like I bought clothes from a lot of different places, but for me, I like to go low to high. So I like to go low on the top, high, and then higher on my shoes. I have a lot of, you know, of course I have a lot of shoes, but when I say high, mid-high, I'm talking about like Vince Camuto's. It's not extremely high. It's not like high when it comes to the label world. High for me, high end is more like Christian, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. That's high end. But when you're on a budget, high end to me is like my Vince Camuto's, my Steve Madden's, and what else do I have? I have a lot of high shoes, like high-end shoes. In my book, is high-end. I do want to purchase more high-end in the future. Right now, I am just building my wardrobe. So I'm learning to pair pieces better, learning to match pieces better. And I said all that to say, if you start off with Shein, go to Shein, start ordering your shirts, basic shirts, and match them you can never, ever, ever, and I'm not just saying this because I love a good jogger, but you can never, when I say never, go bad with a jogger. You can pair a jogger with pretty much anything. Um, and the thing about joggers, you can either go casual, you can go high end, you can go casual, you can go business, you can go personal, you can go um, running to the grocery store with some sneakers, you can go sandals, you can go heels, however you feel like you want to pair them up. The jogger has so many versatilities to them. Um, and as far as like tops, you can go bare, the bare minimum with like a tank top in a jogger, or you can go a bodysuit in a jogger. You can pair that bodysuit and jogger with some sneakers. You can pair that bodysuit and jogger with some heels. You can pair that bodysuit and jogger with some flats. It just depends on what you feel like, what your style is bringing to the forefront for that day. For me, I like to match it up. So for me, and one thing I've learned with Shein's clothing is you can get you a nice jogger and you can get about 4 shirts and wear that jogger in 4 different styles, and nobody will ever know that you're wearing the same. Like I have this mustard jogger that is like, that's like my go-to pants. Now with me on my weight loss journey, I do carry a lot of weight in my hips. So with that jogger, it's stretchy. So I've worn that jogger with heels. I've worn it with platforms. I've worn it with wedges. I've worn it with sneakers. I've worn it with flats. Different shirts. Sometimes with the same shirt, different shoes. I mean, it has so many different um, swings to it. Like, it's so many different ways that you can wear it where it doesn't look like you're wearing the same outfit. You can be a totally different outfit with those joggers and pair it up with different shirts. So with that being said, I'm gonna get more into like showing you guys how to pair up clothing. Even though I might not actually have the clothing on, I will give you guys some idea, take some pictures of it, so I can show you guys how, if you want to just say, for instance, you're looking for something you can wear to a concert. I'll pair it up and show you something very simple you could wear to a concert and try to keep the outfit less than $25. That's one thing I love about Shein. There's so many different pieces you can pick out, and you can get like 4 or 5 outfits for less than $100. And I know it sounds crazy, but when I say 4 or 5 outfits, I mean you can get like 3 joggers and probably 5 shirts for less than $100, but you can pair them so many different ways. Those outfits will be like 20 outfits in one. It's just how you wear them. It's how you pair them. It's how you could do a tie on a shirt. You could do a bodysuit. You could do a blazer. It's just so many different ways that you can pair it up. But I certainly hope that you guys like this video, these videos that I'm pumping out. I hope that you guys like just hearing me babble for minutes on end. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to start pairing more pieces to kind of give you guys an idea of what's in my head and what my sense of fashion is. Because when I say slay LT, I really mean it. Since I've been a little girl, I've always loved pairing pieces together. So I know a lot of times when I used to go to work, when I worked in the office, people be like, oh, why is she... oh, wait a minute, that's kind of cute. Like, why did she pair that together like that? I've had people come up to me and just be like, oh, I like your fashion sense. Like, how did you know to pair that with that? Like, I can go from eclectic to like funky to like very soulful to very professional to very casual. So I just like pairing different pieces together. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if there's anything that you want to see me purchase, or if you want me to do a haul on, let me know. Go ahead and check out the videos that I have in the comment box below. Email me, let me know if it's anything that you want to change in my video, or if you just want to just talk, whatever. It's fine with me. Your girl is very open for suggestions or anything you guys want to talk about. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I was trying to keep it under 15 minutes, and we're right at 15 minutes now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I have a bunch more coming, so look out for that. Go ahead and turn your notification bells on if you've already subscribed. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. It is free. Share it with your friends. like, comments, and I definitely appreciate all of the support so far. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Okay, stop scrolling and subscribe to your girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.